Hi, how you doing? My name's John Beatty. As you can see, I'm not an animator or graphics artist of any kind. I mean, I didn't even put any furniture in here. Hold on a second, let me fix this.
Got the curtains, the rug. So a chair.
Ah, dang it.
There, you happy? Okay, truth is, I'm an audio guy.
This just in. John Beatty is an audio guy. Stay tuned for more.
Right. You see, I realized I needed a good demo type thing to highlight my post-audio abilities. So, what's an audio guy supposed to do? Make his own animation, of course. Hey, man! What are you doing? Ah, crap. It's my neighbor. Let's go outside. Dude, what's going on? Just working on a demo here.
Is this gonna be on TV?
No, it's
Hey,
not.
I'm on the TV! Watch this! Whoa! Woohoo! Huh, wait, hold on. I got something else.
Oh, dear God. Let's go back inside.
Well, this just in. John Beatty's neighbor is white trash. Stay tuned for more.
Wow. Sorry about that. A huge mistake. Look, this is just a taste of what I can
This just in. John Beatty just gave you a taste of what he can.
Hey, why don't you give it a rest?
This just in. I'm gonna give it a rest. Stay tuned for more. Yeah.